Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your routing number and account number in the OnePay app. First, unlock your phone and open the OnePay app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the main screen. You need to navigate to OnePay Cash. This is the section where you can manage your balance and view account details. Tap on OnePay Cash to continue. After you are in the OnePay Cash section, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You will see an option called Settings. Tap on Settings to open the menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll if needed until you find an option labeled Routing and Account Numbers. Tap on this option to continue. Now you will see a list of available pockets linked to your account. A pocket is a separate balance area, such as spend or any other category you may have created. Select the specific pocket you want to view. For example, if you want the details for your spend pocket, tap on Spend. Once you select the pocket, your routing number and account number will appear on the screen. You can review the numbers carefully. If needed, you may also see options to copy the numbers for easy use. Thanks for watching.